Here's the marine biology, science for good and beautiful. It's for for grades 3 to 8. And this is, you only need one of these for the family. And then you get a student journal for each child. So these are for grades 3 through 6, and then they have the student journals for 7th and 8th. They go along, they have the little activities for each lesson in there. So here's the table of contents. They recommend doing about 2 days of science a week. So it does not take that long to go through these. So of all these subjects, you don't have to start in any specific order. If you go to their website, you'll see a whole bunch of science to choose from. So the best advice would be, what are your kids interested in at the moment? Because then they're going to really love doing school. So I had my kids pick out for this next term, the ecosystems, marine biology, and birds is what they picked. So it's fun and they get excited about wanting to do it. So in each one of these, they always tell you exactly what you're going to be using and what to do. And then they recommend the 2 books, the read alouds that they sell. When I buy these, I just get the books too, because they're really good. And it's good to have in our home bookshelves, because sometimes the library, depending on where you live, aren't so hot. So these are they're very good, very beautiful, illustrated. They give so much information. They're like really good to have on hand. So this is just a flip through for these. And then the other one, excuse me, dangerous sea creatures. It's kind of fun. Barracuda. Okay, so then it gives lots of information, gorgeous pictures. Okay, so those go along with it. And then it gives you the supplies. And then it tells you more for grades 7 through 8, and then a book for that age group for 7th and 8th graders. Your supplies that you need. All the vocabulary words are in the beginning. You can cut out. I laminate them because I love using the laminator. Keep them from getting stained or ripped. And then with each lesson, you'll be pulling these out. And then the lessons are all laid out, just like all the rest of the good and beautiful. They tell you exactly what you need to do beforehand, and you just sit down with the kids and do it. So there's no craziness of like teacher books and all these things. It's all done for you. This is why I love good and beautiful. Everything. It makes homeschooling easy. I'm homeschooling my last 2 kids. The older 4 did not use his curriculum, but my younger 2 were needing something different, and this is perfect. This is an answer to prayer, I'm telling you. So here's just kind of a flip through. And they have everything they need for cutouts, for games, and for activities and stuff. They're all in this book together. So that's it. It's fun. So yeah, there's lots. So once again, you only need one of these for the family. And then each child gets one of these. So then when it tells you in the main book for the lesson for the kids to do their own workbook, you just pull it out here. This is just some examples of what they get to do. So you get the idea. So it's really fun, and the kids love it.